Are we live? Just a sec. Yeah, I think we are live. Alright, everyone, welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to learn and build an AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. So if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and like this stream. So let's get started now. Just a sec. Yep, everything's set. Alright. CD backend. Live Guru. Hello, Live Guru. Welcome to my stream. Daksh Sharma. Hi. Hi, Daksh Sharma. Welcome to my stream, man. How are you? Dev. This. I go to live. Postman. This. 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 On AI agent. Users and agent. Okay. Login and admin. Daksh Sharma. Fine, bro. What is today's task? Daksh, today is to see last video, last stream I completed the tool section of the AI agent. Now I need to check if everything is fine or not, and if not, then we'll have to debug it. Okay, so we have the users and we don't have any nodes. Okay. Live Guru, did you show that ChatGPT API posted on your social media? Yeah, Live Guru, like I got that script. I saw that script. Anirudh Gamer. Hello Anirudh Gamer, welcome to my stream. Supreme DS, yo bro. Hello Supreme DS, welcome back to my stream, man. How are you? Alright, and this is the chat part. Hold on. It's the login part. This is okay, hold on. Just a sec. What the hell? Yeah, I want to like this only. Cool. Keep it here. Okay. First we'll log in. Alright. Now we'll chat. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. Joker Phoenix. Hello Joker Phoenix. Welcome back to my stream. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now let's see. I'm sending it. Date meeting is okay. Data complete. Now let's see what happened here. See, okay. See, the agent has created the meeting, created the meeting note. See, just we sent this, and here we did not create the note. What happened? Here in SRC controllers and routes, in this agent route part, message is going to the agent chat. Hold on. Message is going to the agent chat, right? And here we are running the agent and passing the message, and inside the run agent, this is happening, right? Now if I say, I think my meeting is not at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Let's say that update my, okay, not this, my meeting is at 11 a.m. and not at 10 a.m. change it. Now let's see if I do this, then what happens. I can help you update a note. Could you please clarify which note you're referring to? For example, what is this note title content? Okay, hold on. Okay, this did not happen. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll fix it. And run agent. Okay. Hi, hello Lokesh. Welcome back to my stream. Kakashi, by the way, I did my first live coding today on both YouTube and Twitch. Got 3 viewers on YouTube and 0 on Twitch. Oh, keep going, man. Keep going, and all the best. Sasa, bro, is learning LangChain worth it? Yeah, I think like I have not learned it yet, but I think it's a tool that can help you build AI agents. Tasin, hello Tasin, welcome back to my stream. Daksh Sharma, bro, if you are comfortable, can you tell your coding journey? First payment, family reaction, your college life, and things related to your programming journey after 12th. Okay, so my programming journey started when I was in class 11th. I had computer science, and in my school, they were teaching C++. So, there, in my school, I started learning C++. Then, after my 12th, I got into BTech, and there I learned about. Actually, a lockdown happened. After in my second year only, lockdown happened. Then in my second and third year, I was at home due to lockdown. Online classes were going on, and there I started learning Django. There I started learning Django with Python. Then I started building projects, and like then I started applying to internships, and there I got a one internship for 6 months. I did that. Then after that, again, lockdown got over. I went back to college, and along with my college, I was learning about different tech stacks, programming languages, and everything. Then I did after my BTech. I did not get a job from my place, like my college, so I had to apply offline only. Then I got a job. I did the job, and along with that, I was doing freelancing as well. So yeah, that's my journey. सुप्रीत, हेलो सुप्रीत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया मैं अभी सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ. मुझे जावा आती है और मुझे इंटर्नशिप करनी है. कैसे अप्लाई करूँ और कहाँ करूँ, गाइड करो. तुम्हें जावा आती है, अच्छा बात है. उसके साथ डीएसए करो एंड स्प्रिंग बूट करो. एंड इंटर्नशिप के लिए हर जगह जहाँ पे अपना रेज्यूमे पहले स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के डिप्लॉय करो. एंड उसके बाद वो लिंक अपने रेज्यूमे में डालो एंड जस्ट कीप अप्लाई. लिंक्डइन में अप्लाई करो, एंजल लिस्ट में अप्लाई करो, वेल फाउंड जिसको बोलते हैं, रिमोट वर्क में अप्लाई करो. आर एस दीप, हेलो आर एस दीप, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. तसीन, थैंक्स फॉर द इमोजी. एक्सप्रोज गेमर्स, hello Expros gamers. What are you building now? I'm trying to build an AI agent, note making AI agent. RS Deep, I'm Deepak Kantpal, second ID. Okay, Deepak, welcome back to my stream, man. Harshit, hello Harshit, welcome to my stream. Sasa, how many years you're coding for? I've been coding since 2020, before like since class 11, and I was in development from 2020. Kakashi, today I finished my project which I was building for a month, but now I have nothing to live code. Can you please give me a SaaS idea like your current project? Please don't say to do research. I'll build an AI SaaS like a wrapper over GPT. You can build that. Like family reaction first payment. How much? If your my family reaction was fine only, and my first payment that I got from freelancing was 12,000 rupees. Sasa, I learned Django and React. Should I learn DSA or do project? Do both. Give 2 hours every single day on DSA and then spend rest of your time on development. Supreme DS. I'm here in Uttarakhand for the Kedarnath temple, and there is no good network here in India, so I wasn't able to attend your stream yesterday. Oh, that's fine, Supreme DS. Yeah, like in Kedarnath, I think because of hill station and all, it can happen that there are network issues. Sasa, my plan is to move US after bachelor. Oh, that's nice, Sasa. And target Fang. That's great. You have to be very good in DSA if you want to target Fang. सस्ता गेमिंग, हेलो सस्ता गेमिंग, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. और भाई क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया सस्ता गेमिंग, तुम कैसे हो? सुप्रीत भैया, थर्ड ईयर में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करे तो जॉब लगती है क्या? जॉब लाइक पहले आपको इंटर्नशिप आराम से मिल जाएगी. जॉब तो थर्ड ईयर में नहीं, बीटेक के बाद ही मिलेगी. जसविंदर ठाकुर, वॉट लैंग्वेज यू आर यूजिंग? जसविंदर, आई एम यूजिंग टाइपस्क्रिप्ट. Are you currently on job? No, Shivam OP, I'm not doing any job now. I'm trying to build my own startup. Live Guru, what was the first freelance project? It was a hotel booking website that I built for a hotel. Kakashi, also, what is that AI code reach that you are working on. AI code reach is basically I'm trying to learn Next.js, so that's a SaaS that I'm building. Along with while building that, I'm trying to learn Next.js 16 SaaS. Why have you switched from Django to Node? Because see, my target is to work in a startup or build my own startup, and for startups, Node.js is the best according to me. So that's why I've shifted to Node.js. All right. So this is happening. Okay, fine. My meeting. Could you please clarify or referring to, for example, what is the node's title or content? I have attended the meeting, which is at 10 a.m. Now let's see. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Let's see. To help you remove the data node, could you please specify the exact node content or share a list of your nodes so that I can identify? All right. Okay, fine. There we go. Let's debug this. Where is it? Okay. So the node. Okay, fine. Let's give this delete the node with content. Let's see. To proceed, I need to locate the node with the content. Could you please provide the node ID? Okay. Got it. Fine. Okay. So it has to be smart enough to understand the node ID. Okay. Lokesh, I think I forgot my Content Hub account password. Lokesh, in my future update, I'll bring that forgot password wala thing, because for that I need to use an email sender. So I think I'll have to use resend for that. I'll use that in future updates. I'll bring that. Sasa, isn't Django more suitable for startup, as it is have battery including consists of all required thing for rapid development? ORM. It's just an express. Yes, I agree. See, Django is very powerful. But the thing is that like if you want a job in startups, startups usually, if you see remote jobs in startups in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, there are a huge number of jobs in MERN stack and PERN stack as compared to Django. Django jobs are there, but not in startups. Daksh, if you are comfortable, can you tell how much you are earning now for temporary motivation? Okay. Right now, see, I cannot give you the exact figure, but it is comfortable enough to, to invest in my projects. Swift Core Solutions. Hi, broski. Hello, Swift Core Solutions. Welcome to my stream. Daksh, set up your setup tour, please. Daksh, I'll make a video on that. In my actually, my setup is very simple. Just a laptop, keyboard, and a mouse. Easy. Is being good at DSA means good job. Why DSA equal job? See, DSA will help you to crack interviews. That's why DSA is important. Daksh Sharma, that can I get job without degree? Only skill in data science. See, in India, you cannot get a job without degree. You need a degree in India, but you can get remote jobs in USA, UK, Canada, Australia. Okay, so this is happening. The node is getting created, but when I try to update and or delete the node, it says this. Okay, fine. I think we need something more in this. Perfect. This means agent working already, but logic tool design is incomplete. Now think fine. Tools currently require update node ID. Delete node is missing, and AI does not know. Okay. AI only sees natural language, not Prisma. Okay, I think I need to find first. I think I need to find the most relevant to do, and then I need to pass the ID. I think that's the flow. Your problem. Your agent is missing retrieval search tool. Okay, search. You are missing this. Without search, you cannot. Okay, fine. But delete my meeting note. Content. Search meeting. Find matching node. Delete node. Okay. Tool chaining. Multiple step reasoning. Okay. Step one. Add search tool. Add this in tools. Name search nodes. Describe search nodes by content to find node IDs. Okay. The text to search. Text to search in nodes. Okay. Required query. Okay. Add service node dot service. Okay. I'll create the service where user ID and content ID contains query mode insensitive. Okay, fine. Handle tools in agent. Update case search node. Okay, but this is not. This alone is not enough. Right now, your agent does tools and but yeah, must tool and again decide next action. Okay, convert agent loop. Okay. We have to use loop now. Run agent with this. Run agent. No, always search nodes. Okay, got it. Where is it? Always search nodes if you don't know the node ID. Okay, I got this. Just a sec, guys. I'm reading. I'll read the chat. Just give me a few minutes. This no. Okay, fine. Completion. This. Okay, cost. Okay, fine. If name. This is done. Name. Create update. Note case. Here. Switch. Create. Hold on. Switch. Name. Okay, fine. Case completion. Update note and break message okay, now we are giving the message context. Message dot push messages dot push. What happens now? Deleting my deleting note search nodes. Receive this content. Delete note and one note has been deleted. Okay, we just built a real AI agent. Next separate highly semantic search contains missing delete the thing tomorrow. Okay, PG vector plus embeddings. Okay, fine. Let's do this. Fine, got it. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Za, hello Za, welcome to my stream. Hey, who are you? YouTube just recommended me your channel. Za, I'm a full stack developer, and my goal is to build my own SaaS and startup. And right now, I'm currently learning how to build AI agents from scratch using PERN stack and TypeScript. And yeah, this is who I am. Suraj, did you check Modi ji post on your social media? Yes, I checked that, Suraj. Yash, what exactly is the application you're building? Basically, it's an AI, agentic AI to a note making application. Basically, instead of building notes yourself, you just give the command that what your task is. The AI will update, delete, create the note for you. Daksh, I want admission to Good University. What is your opinion? All the best. Sasa, brother, instead of using LLM for agent like this, use any orchestrator which make your work more easy and managed. Yes, Asa, or we can use orchestrator. But the thing is that I want to build it from scratch. Basically, this is for my own understanding. Like slowly we'll build all those things. Za, why are you sit in dark, bro? I like to. I don't like lights. I don't like light a lot. Brightness and everything. So yeah. Sasa. From where did you get the API key? Its own or any trick? It's my own API key. Okay. Finlay Simula. Hello, Finlay. Welcome to my stream. I'm building an intermediate level full stack project using Postgres, React, Spring Boot, and Node.js. Your guidance inspired me to start. Oh, that's great. I'm glad that my guidance helped you. Easy. Which language are you using? Easy. I'm using TypeScript. ZA, what is PERN stack, bro? ZA PERN stack stands for Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Basically, if you know MERN stack, instead of MongoDB, we are using PostgreSQL. Suraj, don't ask him to use any third-party tool, or he will start building his own. That's your opinion on Golgati University, please. My opinion is that it's very disappointing that they had to fake all those things. It's disappointing. That's it. That's my opinion. Okay, fine. Let's start building. So first in the tools section, in the tools part, this is it. Now tools part, we have to create a new node as search. Create, and here I'll create the search node. I'll create it here. Search name is search node. Then description, search nodes by content to find note IDs. Fine. Then we'll send the parameters. Type should be object. Type is object. Properties query. Instead of content we have query, and type is string. Description this is my description. Text to search the notes. Description. Then after this, parameters. Hold on. This and properties. After this, we need required query. Fine, this is done. Search nodes is done. Now we'll go to services. Node service. Here we'll create search node. Async search node. Hold on, what is the issue here? Async. Fine, okay. Za, you got a subscriber, bro. Oh, thank you, Za. Thanks for subscribing, man. It means a lot. Daksh Sharma, your LinkedIn account. Daksh, I don't use LinkedIn. सूरज गलगोटिया की वजह से देश की गोटियां मुंह में आ गई. Yash, are you making this for an SD1/SD2 level project? No, Yash, I'm making this for my own learning. I'm not applying to any companies right now. I'm just trying to build my own startup. And if I want to work in a company, it has to be a startup. I want to work in startups only. And welcome to my stream, Yash. Daksh Sharma. Suraj, only job seekers have LinkedIn accounts. Serious, okay. Za, I'm a mechanical guy, but shifted to full stack recently. Oh, that's nice. Just pick one. Za, my advice would be just pick one language and learn it properly, and then learn the tech stacks that is built around that language. Suraj, okay. Lokesh, you forgot to add H in search, bro. You forgot to add H in search. Okay, yeah. Where in my tools? Yes, search notes. Okay, yeah, okay. Thanks, Lokesh. Thanks a lot, man. You saved my time of debugging. Thanks a lot. Sasa. For agents to perform database action, it uses tool calling, and you probably have given access to perform all database operation. What if some user type wipe the database? Any plan on it? Basically, see, the user, if you see all the tools requires the user ID, right? So the thing is that first we are not creating any function that will create all the that will delete all the nodes from all the entire database. User can only perform action for its own nodes. That's why we are passing the user ID as an argument here, right? And secondly, if a user does that, so we have not created the function only. So even if user says that uh, the LLM does not have that tool to delete all the nodes. LLM just have the tool to delete a particular node. That's it. As LLM can be jailbreaked. Okay. GTA Venom. Hello GTA Venom. Welcome to my stream. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's stop. Anirudh Gamer. Hello Anirudh Gamer. Welcome to my stream. I'm not doing right now. Just try to build your. I'm not doing right now. Just try to build your star. Okay. Anirudh. Easy. Venom. Okay. Brother, what gives you energy or motivates you? Many people tell me that if something is already built, what's the value of building it again? The question is asked by many people, and I feel bad when I want to build something on my own, but others demotivate me. Firstly, don't listen to people. Don't listen to uh, you know people's opinion, because firstly, only listen to people who are living the life that you actually want to live. But unfortunately we are surrounded by people who don't take any action. They have accepted their life just the way it is. So why should I take advice from them, because they have not built the life that I want. For example, if I look up to someone and I understand that, okay, this is the kind of life I want, then I will take advice from a person like that, right, who has already built the life that I want. So, firstly, stop taking advice from all the people. Whenever someone gives you advice, just say, nod your head, say yes, thank you, and move on. That's it. DP, if you are not in job right now, how are you earning, and who is funding your living now? DP, I am doing freelancing. I do freelancing, and I also provide guidance to people who need um, guidance from me. So I guide them. That's what I do. Finlay Simula. Hello, Finlay Simula. Welcome to my stream. GTA Venom. I feel bad when I want to build something on my own, but others demotivate me. GTA Venom. See, don't feel bad about it. Just nod your head, say yes, yes, thank you, and move on and do what you want to do. That's it. Byte Blitz. Hello, Byte Blitz. Welcome to my stream. Hi, bro. 2 years experience, full stack developer. Here, would you like to have a talk or collab? So I'm not looking for a collab right now. Like I'm trying to build my own projects now. But in future, when my projects grow and I need developers, then I start hiring. GTA. Okay. Anirudh, I'm not doing right now. Just try to. Okay. Codex. Hello, Codex. Welcome to my stream, bro. Give me some few advice to escape tutorial hell and learn actually things that matter. See, when you are learning a tech stack, for example, if you are learning Mon stack, right? Watch one or two tutorials, code along with that tutorial. Then after that, you have to build projects. Don't just after watching tutorial, don't start building complex like e-commerce or social media application. Try to build something small like to-do application with authentication system. And while you build that project, try to understand how the application flows, how the data flows in the application. Joker Phoenix. Okay. Anirudh, I'm not. Okay. Vishesh Sharma, best. Hello, Vishesh Sharma. Welcome to my stream. Ajay Singh, welcome to my stream. Bro, can you tell me how to find an internship? Ajay, the best way to find an internship is to build projects, deploy it, and then share your resume everywhere. Learn from mistakes. Okay, yeah. Bro, can you tell me how to find an internship? Okay, I told Satish. I'm in stuck in tutorial hell. What to do? Build projects on your own. Bro, give me some advice from okay, done. GTA 6. Okay. Bro, can you tell me how to find it? Okay, done. धैर्य. ध्यान यार. ध्यान यार हामी चीटिंग करते हैं इसलिए रहा तो मैं नहीं खेलूंगा बोर्ड. What? धैर्य, can you explain? Don't ask fish how to climb a tree. Okay. He's vibe coding. Nikhil Gupta, welcome to my stream. which are React and Django for backend. I learned a script and safely. Also, it doesn't matter how much front end application. See, front end, I use AI for build the UI in front end search nodes. Let's build the search node function. Fine. User ID, which is a string, and we'll have the query. We have the query, which is a string. Just a reminder, guys, if you're new to my stream and you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing. Fine. Query is done. Then return. भाई आज मच्छर बहुत है यार. Prisma dot note dot find many. First we'll have where we have the user ID, where user ID, and in content we have content contains this query, and insensitive mode should be insensitive mode is also done. And after this, where we have the select part, select, I just need the content. I think ID true, content true is completed to true. Search note, just search. Okay, just search. The search is also done, and search nodes. Now in my agent, update switch, but this alone is not right now. Okay, fine. Convert AI agent to this. Okay. While true, we have to put a loop. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Easy. So I should be taking advice from Andrew Tate. Take advice from people who are living the life you want. But those people will not give you advice directly, because so if you cannot surround yourself with people who inspire you, then be alone. Just work on your thing, and just do what you feel is right. That's it. Daksh, first like. Thanks, Daksh. Codex, code till placed guy. Okay. अबे तू यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है कोडेक्स? डू योर लाइव स्ट्रीम. ओके. अनिरुद्ध, would you please review my project and point out any issues, mistakes, or areas where I can improve? Anirudh, you can DM the link of the project in my Instagram. I'll watch it after the stream. Za, bro, do you completed a study or in college now? Za, I have completed my BTech. Bro, अभी assignment बनाने के उठा हूँ. Okay. In delete, what will happen if we use delete instead of delete many, as we are targeting by note ID? So in best case there will be one record. Good question. There see, first in delete many we are doing this because like, so that if there are multiple notes with same issue, we are not using note ID here, we are using user ID and content, right? So there can be multiple notes with the same content and same user ID, right? We are not searching by note ID, I think. That's why in delete. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. Oh, okay. Nikhil Gupta, I bought Sony XM6 today. Oh, that's nice, Nikhil. Funny. Okay. Keval Bhoi. Hello, Keval. Welcome to my stream. Do you know system design? Yeah, basic system designs I know. Codex. Yeah, okay. Anirudh, you can DM me the project links in my Instagram. I'll review it after this stream. Harshendra, I don't use LinkedIn. What is PERN? First student. Rituraj, PERN stands for Postgres Express Reactor Node. Instead of MongoDB, we use Postgres SQL database. Lokesh, who are from Okay. Finally, why not make AI agent in Python? Why not? Because see, we are not we can do in Python also, but I already know TypeScript, and we are already using a LLM API key, so we can do it in TypeScript also. No difference. परसों मेरा फिजिक्स का एग्ज़ाम है RIP to me. All the best धैर्य, all the best for exam. Okay. I'm using GPT 4.1. Ajay Singh, bro, I'm in third year of BTech. Should I start learning AI or improve my skills in full stack? I have basic knowledge of full stack. If you have basic knowledge, then you should start learning AI. Easy. Real men. Okay. Manage notes. To manage notes, always search notes. What is it here? Always search notes. Notes. If you don't know the note ID. Okay, we did this. We did this here. We did this here. Okay. This is done. This is the same thing. Messages dot push. Okay, we have this messages, and we are creating a message array. Let messages equals message of type any array equals this, and here I will put this thing, this entire thing. I'll cut it from here and I'll put it here, and here I can pass this messages. Okay, this is done. Messages this, then after this tool call, before the tool call, const message equals completion dot choices 0 dot message. I got this. Then I'll push it. Messages dot push message. We did this. Okay, and this entire thing, we got this. This will be in a loop while true. This entire thing is in a loop while true. This happened, and I'll just put this here. This entire thing is in a loop while true. We are pushing the message. Fine. Now const will call you completion message dot complete. Instead of this, message dot tool calls of 0, and if there is no message, return message dot content. Return here will return the message dot return simple message dot content. This message dot content, then const name argument arg string function, then const general path arg string, then let we have created the let result, then switch name. Instead of this, we are just using the name. Switch name. Fine. Yes. Create node. Result equals await node service dot create user id comma args dot content. Got this result, and we will just break it here. Result, but we're not using. Okay, this will be result update args.noteid user id args.content. Then after this we are we'll break it. Then complete note result equals this, result equals this, and make it work. डी धैर्य और स्पैम कर भैया, ये तो बहुत कम है. Rituraj, I'm stuck in tutorial hell. AML. See, Rituraj, I will still suggest that watch one or two videos, code along with it. Then after you have watched one or two videos and built those projects, try to build simple projects on your own first. Za. Bro, I find ChatGPT sometimes show code which are not good for project security. If you make mistakes or what, sometime if you don't follow basic security protocols. Basically, see, here, before I implement it, you know, I understand the code and then I implement it, and I don't feed the entire code data to my GPT. I know where I need to do what thing, and I just tell that particular thing, and GPT shows me the flow. And when I think that okay, I can implement this, then I implement it. And while implementing, if I need that okay, this is not good, I need to change something. While implementing, I keep making the changes also when needed. Okay. White Blitz, bro, how about using Llama 3.23 billion parameter for project and trying to fine tune that model? That's a that's a good idea. Maybe in future I'll do that. सूरज, ब्रो चालाक चेक के बहाने लाइव स्ट्रीम पे वेबसाइट दिखाना चाहते हो. प्रज्वल कुमार, ब्रो शो मी द यूआई. प्रज्वल, आई हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड द यूआई येट फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट. You can have a more personalized model. Yeah, ByteBlitz. Suraj, use Claude. Okay. Za. Bro, try Claude Code. Yeah, in future, when I start building my SaaS, then I'll use Claude Code. Galax, what kind of AI agent you are developing? Galax, I'm trying to build a note-making AI agent. Basically, an AI agent that will manage all your notes, like creating, update, delete, and all those things. Your AI agent will manage that. I'm working on an AI agent. Okay, but good. Okay. So, do you have a proper knowledge of SQL, like join, how to one? Yeah, I have. Sasa, like, yeah, yeah, obviously, like joins are a very important part of SQL. We cannot skip it. What actually it solved? Shubhadeep. Hello, Shubhadeep. Welcome back to my stream. Bro, I'm not interested in web dev. I love just to code in a particular language. Is it not one normal to get a job? If you are very good in that language, then yes, you can get a job. But you have to build at least good projects to display your skills. Tyler, what's up, Abhishek bhai? Tyler, all good. How are you, man? Welcome back to my stream. Supreet, भाई मेरा पहला हैकाथॉन है 9 तारीख को, कुछ बता दो क्या होता है, कैसे काम होता है. सी हैकाथॉन में, इन हैकाथॉन व्हाट हैपेंस, यू विल गेट अ गोल, लाइक whoever is organizing the hackathon, that person will tell you you need to build this in next 2 days or 3 days, and then they will give you the entire day. You can watch, you can code, you can watch tutorials, you can use GPT, anything, you can use whatever you want, but the goal is to finish a good project before the deadline. Rituraj, Abhishek, I just became coding club head in college, first year student, and I'm scared. That don't be scared, Rituraj. Just enjoy it, and that's a very good thing. You can put it in your resume. It will give a good impression. Not Shivam. Hey, what's up? Hello, Not Shivam. Welcome to my stream. D Dharya, thanks for the heart, D Dharya. Martin Luther. Hello, Martin Luther. Welcome to my stream. Brother, what is your age? Martin Luther, I am 25 years old. Okay, so we did this. And for delete node also, same thing. Result equals this. And then we'll break. And same for search nodes. Case search nodes, hold on, tool, is it search nodes? Hold on here. What was it? Was it search nodes? Okay. Here also I'll make it search nodes. Okay, now in my agent we have search. If in the case of search nodes, result equals node service dot search. And what do we need in search? User ID. We need user ID and query. User ID and args dot query. We got this. This is done. Then after this switch case, give tool result back to AI messages dot push role tool underscore call underscore id tool call dot id and content json dot stringify result, and this is messages. This is done. Okay, now let's try. Let's see. Delete my note. Note with content meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Let's do this. Now if I see, this is my note. Now if I send this, oh no, okay, login user. Now if I do this, what is happening? Data. The node with content meeting has been deleted. If you need to remove more nodes, let me know. Task executed. Now let's see. No, it is not deleted. What the hell is this? It has not been deleted. Okay. Fine. This is the code. सुप्रीत भैया, हैकेथॉन में गिट और गिटहब अच्छा लेवल पे आना चाहिए क्या? हाँ, आपको कोड मैनेज करने के लिए गिट आना चाहिए. टाइलर, हैकेथॉन में रेपलिट वगैरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वो डिपेंड करता है किस टाइप का हैकेथॉन है. कहीं कहीं पे अप्लाई करते हैं, कहीं पे कहीं नहीं करते हैं. टाइलर, धैर्य, मैं खुद नहीं पढ़ रहा लेकिन सपनों के खराब हो गए उसने. अंश पांडे, हे ब्रो, आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि मैं आई मीन 4th सेमेस्टर करंट 75 प्रॉब्लम डन ऑन लीड कोड, one decent project, logic of good. Can you just tell me what more can I? Okay, hey bro, I want to know 4th semester current 75 done lead code, one decent project, use of AI, understanding the logic of code and all. You can build 2 or 3 more projects and then deploy them and put the deployed link in your resume and keep applying. Then bro, should I focus more on DSA or development? I'm in 3rd year. Do both. As I said earlier, like दिन में DSA करो 2 घंटा and बाकी का time do development. Ansh, any goal? Full stack dev, currently stuck in React. What should I do? My goal, full stack. Okay, just understand React and build HTML, CSS. First, your JavaScript concept should be really good. Then understand the core concepts of React, like virtual DOM, state management, hooks, and you know how to handle APIs, styling, all those things, then build full stack projects. Simple full stack projects. Anirudh, I'm an AI-based education app. I'm facing issue in the app. I have college at say 6 a.m. Could you please review it live? I can share the repo. Right now I'm working on my own project. You can share the link in my Instagram. I'll watch it after the stream. Okay, this is not getting deleted. Fine. Okay, this is my code. Agent.ts. This is my code. Agent.controller. Agent.controller.ts. Then this is my agent.ts, not route. This is my tools.ts, note.service.ts. I sent this request. I got this response. But the note is not deleted from my database table. This is a agent debugging moment, and I am almost correct. The AI response is never to a database operation never actually executed. This is a classic async bug, one hidden typo. Okay, main bug. Right now you have update note, update R. Okay, fine, and delete note and search note. These written promises not. Uh-huh. And await. Okay, fine. I need to add await. How can I do this? Agent here. Await here. Await. 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 Anything else? This is root cause number to very hidden typo. In tools, it is tools parameters. Search no double M. It is parameters here. This is also done. Okay, this is done. Root cause number 4. Why delete anyway? Delete many. Okay. Add safety validation. Delete note or delete a note not found with ID this. Case delete note. No, delete. Yeah, now AI cannot lie accidentally. Okay. Delete and if this else. Okay. Break. Let's do this in delete note. My agent in the delete note part. Where is it? Delete note part. This is happening. Now if I do this deletion, if result, just make it result. Not gonna find node related. Result equals success. Fine, this is done and break it. Now this is working. Now let's log in user. I have the node here. Now execute this line. Let's see. Now let's see what I get. Yeah, note has been deleted. See here, I just gave a command delete the note with content meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and it has deleted. Okay, now let's create another note. Okay, can you remind me to go complete task go to gym at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Let's see what I get. A task has been noted. If you need any reminder, want to update this note, just let me know. Okay, now if I come here, let's see what happens. We go to gym at 7 and 2. Okay, now nice, nice. This is happening. This is happening. Now, okay. Instead of 7 a.m., I need to go to the gym at 9 a.m. See, now it is 7 a.m. It should become 9 a.m. here. Let's see. I not have updated. Instead of going to the gym, you will now go to gym 7 a.m. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, it has become 9 a.m. Oh, that's great, man. Fine. Now let's mark it as complete. I went to gym at 9 a.m. Mark it as completed. Your trip to the gym has been marked as complete in your notes. You see, it is false. Now it should be true. No, it created another note. Hold on. Okay, update note. I know why this happened. Mark as complete. We are doing this, but in my tools, I did not give this. Okay, now I need to give access to this also. Name. Round Cheeks. Hello, Round Cheeks. Welcome to my stream. Is developer job still there in 2026? Yes, developer job is still there. Joker Phoenix, you missed await keyword in line 52. Yeah, I fixed that await keyword issue. Ansh Pandey. Hello, Ansh Pandey. Welcome to my stream. Okay, thanks, buddy, for sharing your suggestions. Welcome, Ansh Pandey. Priyanshu Karki, show front end functionality. Priyanshu, for this AI agent, till now I have built the backend only. After completing the backend, I'll start the front end. Rahul, bro, can you help to decide which is more growth in terms of career and package? Full stack engineer or .NET engineer? Full stack engineer. Go for full stack engineer. Tyler. Nice progress. Looks like you'll complete the project soon. Yeah, I think so, Tyler. यूआर केस भाई सुपर बेस इंडिया में ब्लॉक क्यों हो रहा है आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाई इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग दिस आई हैव नो आइडिया but that's why I keep telling everyone that if you know how to build your backend, don't get dependent on any third party services, because see, it is good for building MVPs and quick startups, but as you know that your entire startup control is in the hand of government. If they try to block that third party, then again your startup will literally die in one day, right? So that's why I focus more on building my own backend. Rahul, thanks. Welcome, Rahul. This is done. So there we go. Where was it? Agent tools. It was complete node. Tools complete. Mark complete. Okay, complete node. We'll give a description. Mark the node existing. Mark the existing node as completed or not completed. Parameters. Okay, so delete node parameters. type type object hold on, complete node, update node, mark the existing node, type object, properties, have the node id, type string node id, just will pass the node id. Fine. We don't need the content here. Complete node. Let's do it without this properties. We're doing with this properties. Then after properties, and make it required to required of node id is required. And in the node service, in where is it, mark as complete node id and user id. Okay, just node id. Fine, there we go. In tools, complete node, pass this complete node. Okay, this is done. Fine, close this. What is it? Just delete this for now. Tomorrow. Fine, it's done. Now let's do this. Just not here. Here, restart it here. Clear. npm run dev. Now here, if I log in, user Gaurav. Hello user, welcome to my stream. Brother, do you watch cricket? Sometimes. Programming Wala. Hi Programming Wala, welcome to my stream. Joker Phoenix. Hi bro. Off topic question. Which keyboard and headset you are using? Is it good? Keyboard I'm using of Evo Fox, and headset it's of Ant Esports. It is of 2000 only, so it is good for 2000 rupees headphone. Now if I log in here, now if I come here, let's see. I marked a note. Great job hitting the gym. Now let's see. This is false. It should be true. Yeah, this is done. This is done. So this is done. This also. Now search notes, delete note, search notes, and find note IDs, search notes, note service. In note services, find many. Content, search notes. Okay, now let's do one thing. Wish my friend happy birthday on 22nd March 2026. Let's do this. Your reminder to wish your friend has been noted. Would you like to attach any special message? Friend. This is done. Now if I come here, there should be another note. Fine, this is done. Remove the note. Remove the notes that are marked as completed. Let's see. Marked as completed. So basically what it will do, it will delete this gym wala note. Let's see. Remove the node that marked as completed. Let's see. No nodes are marked as completed, so there are no review that are marked as completed to. I need to give it tool. Okay, for each task we need to give it a tool. Let's see. Now get all agent. Now I just build tools and give it tools. Cool. Ankit, I'm back. Welcome back, Ankit. How are you? Joker Phoenix, thanks. Welcome, Joker Phoenix. Okay. So, name search completed notes description search notes that are marked that are marked as completed. Find parameters parameters marked as complete. No, okay. Node service list of all nodes. Hold on. Async search incomplete search completed search completed search complete nodes search complete nodes will have user ID as string, no query required. Return Prisma dot node dot find many. We have this where user ID is this. Fine. Where user ID is this, and what is here is completed is completed true. So we got this, and here select ID true, content true, is completed true. Hello, it should give error. Okay, this will give error. It should be true only. We got this search completed nodes, and in my tools search completed node, search node that marked as completed true. Parameters, we have type parameters. I think parameters are not required here. I keep it empty. Required is also empty. Let's keep it like this. Search complete nodes, search completed nodes, and node service. What is the issue here? I'll give it a comma. And tools agent delete note complete note case search complete notes result equals await node service search completed notes search node service dot search completed notes, and I just need to pass the user ID here and we'll break it here. This is done. Now let's restart the server just to be safe. And Prince Developer. Bro, मेरी website review कर दो. Prince Developer, you can send the link in my Instagram. I'll watch it after the stream and I'll tell you the review there. Prudisht, hey bro, what's up? Hello Prudisht, welcome to my stream. Badrinath Nayak, hello Badrinath Nayak, welcome to my stream. I love these types of streams. Oh, thank you, bro, Badrinath, and welcome to my stream, man. Hamid Hussain, hello bro. Hello Hamid, welcome to my stream, man. How are you? Renova Digitals, how you doing? Hello Renova, welcome back to my stream. How are you, man? Gumball, hello Gumball, welcome back. R7 Mindset, hi. Hello R7 Mindset, welcome to my stream. So server is running. Hamid Hussain, I'm going back Mac Mini in 55 to 60K, but a Windows laptop. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन हामिद गम्बॉल भाई फ्रंट एंड प्लस बैक एंड एक साथ बनाऊं या पहले बैक एंड भाई गम्बॉल आई यूजुअली मैं तो पहले बैक एंड बनाता हूँ उसके बाद मैं फ्रंट एंड बनाता हूँ रेनोवा ऑल गुड दैट्स ग्रेट रेनोवा हर्ष हेलो हर्ष मैं फिर आ गया हेलो हर्ष वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम हाउ आर यू I built an AI system, but it says answers are not in the database. Should I connect an external API or create my own to improve it? I built an AI system, but answers are not in the database. You have to train the LLM with your database. Hamid Hussain, which will be better? See, Hamid, for coding, Mac experience in Mac is very good. But if you want to do gaming also and other things, then you can go for Windows. But if you dedicatedly want to do editing, video editing, and coding along in a very powerful machine, you can go for Mac Mini. Gumball, भाई अब आप बड़े आदमी बन गए हो मेरी इज्जत कम हो गई है ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है गम्बॉल ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है R7 माइंडसेट आप अब आप आपका इंट्रो दो ना भैया या श्योर R7 माइंडसेट मेरा नाम अभिषेक शर्मा है मैं एक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हूँ और मैं खुद का SaaS और स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और उसके लिए मैं नई नई चीज़ें सीखता रहता हूँ गम्बॉल स्मार्ट पार्किंग मैनेजमेंट बना रहा हूँ पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन के लिए कुछ आइडिया दे दो सी पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन जस्ट फॉर टेस्ट मोड रेजर पे इज़ वेरी गुड और यू कैन यूज़ फ्री कैश ऑल्सो आई थिंक दिस कैश फ्री और फ्री कैश नाम का एक और पेमेंट गेटवे यू कैन यूज़ दैट ऑल्सो Renova Digitals. Bro, kindly tell some OS preferences. See, I usually go for if I have the resources, I'll go for Mac. Right. But if you want in Windows, you can get for Windows 11 OS preference 16 GB RAM and 500 GB SSD is more than enough. R7 Mindset. Thank you, bhaiya. Welcome, R7 Mindset. Renova Digitals. Should we use Linux and when should be Windows used? See Renova, recently I deployed my social media application and the server, all the servers usually are in Linux, right? So if you want to, to get a better access to better learning of servers, you should learn Linux. But I say for development and all, Windows is fine only. अमन कोहली सो जा भाई अमन थोड़ी देर में सोऊंगा बाद में and welcome to my stream Aman Gumball I'm using Dudebot Linux and Ubuntu बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है Linux में oh that's nice इसके पहले मैंने Ubuntu Linux कम से कम 2-3 साल यूज़ किया है मेरे पहले लैपटॉप में इसके पहले जो मेरा लैपटॉप था अच्छा है Ubuntu okay so this is done now let's log in the user chat remove the notes all notes that has been removed okay now see this should be removed yeah done Okay, so building an AI agent is not so tough. All we need is this tool. We have to create the functions, and then in agent we need to pass that. Cool. So let's tweak it a bit. Search nodes is done. Search completed nodes. Okay, now let's do, now let's make search incomplete nodes. Name search incompleted nodes. Description: search nodes that are marked as completed false, and parameters, no parameters required. Parameters, no parameters required. This is the search incompleted nodes. This is done. Node service async search incomplete nodes. We have the user ID string, then we have return Prisma dot node dot find many where user ID is this and is completed is false, and here in the select part ID is true, content is true, and is completed is true. This is done. Now in the agent part I'll add that case search, what is it, tools search incompleted nodes. So just one, search incompleted nodes, result equals await node service dot search incompleted nodes. I'll pass the user ID and then we'll break it. Fine, let's break it. CSE guy, hello CSE guy, welcome to my stream. Bro, MacBook Pro with how much RAM and storage is enough for like full stack applied AI engineering? For applied AI engineering, at least 16 GB RAM is required. You know, because in 8 GB it is very difficult, because I tried in my previous laptop, it had 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM is not sufficient in my opinion. अमन कोहली 69, एक बार एक्सप्लेन करोगे क्या बना रहे हो? अमन कोहली एक फुल स्टैक एआई एजेंट बना रहा हूँ, नोट मेकिंग एआई एजेंट दैट विल, नॉर्मली हम लोग नोट मेकिंग एप्लीकेशन में खुद से नोट बनाते हैं, डिलीट करते हैं, अपडेट करते हैं ना, तो एआई एजेंट में हम लोग बस एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि क्या करना है, एआई एजेंट खुद डिसाइड करेगा कि अपडेट करना है, डिलीट करना है, क्या करना है. गम्बॉल 69, आर्क के स्विच होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. सी आर्क लिनक्स इज गुड, वेरी गुड. आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट बट आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट इट. गम्बॉल, मैक बुक कोई भी ले लो, सब चलेगा उसमें. ओके. Anirudh, can you make a dedicated video explaining LLMs, how to connect AI to make systems, how to train and improve it? I can show you my AI project. Yeah, you can show you my project in my Instagram. You can DM the link. And basically this, if you follow this project that I'm currently building, you will learn how to build AI agents. Renova Digitals. Okay, bro, keep your efforts and work up. May you and all of us succeed. Flamanilla. Thank you Renova Digitals. Thanks a lot man. अमन कोहली 69, सैस का क्या प्लान है तुम्हारा? तुम्हारा मेन पर्पज सैस है ना? वैसे सॉलिड प्रोजेक्ट. यस अमन कोहली, माय मेन पर्पज इज टू बिल्ड माय ओन सैस एंड स्टार्ट माय स्टार्टअप. Prince Gupta, hello Prince Gupta, welcome to my stream. Bro, VS Code in this economy. What's wrong with VS Code in this economy? Can you explain? Badrinath, I need a suggestion from you bro. How I am Now I am in last sem of BCA and I'm planning to do MCA. Which specification will be best in your opinion in MERN, full stack, cloud computing, AI, ML, etc.? See, if you are a complete beginner, go for full stack. But if you already know full stack, then go for AI, ML. But if you're a complete beginner, go with full stack. GS, हेलो GS, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रो। मैं डेली अपने मर्न प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहा हूँ और इसके साथ साथ डेली मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? इसके आप अपने मर्न प्रोजेक्ट के साथ साथ आप डेली डीएसए भी करो, इससे आपका लॉजिक बिल्डिंग स्ट्रांग होगा और इंटरव्यूज क्लियर करने में आपके लिए आसानी होगा। राजवीर, हेलो राजवीर, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। आप लवेबल से एंटी ग्रेविटी से क्यों नहीं बना रहे हो? जल्दी बन जाएगा, टेल मी क्यों। एक्चुअली राजवीर, मेरा एंड गोल है खुद का सैस और स्टार्टअप बनाना, और वो बन जाओ व्हेन आई स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग दैट देन आई यूज दोज एआई आईडीज, बट depending entirely on those AI IDs, it can be very dangerous because if I don't know anything and I just code it with AI, it can be very difficult for me to debug it. So that's why I'm learning, improving my skills, and when I'm comfortable enough, then I'll switch to AI IDs. Badrinath, thanks. Welcome, Badrinath. Wokinova or hello, Wokinova. Welcome back, man. How are you? So search in completed nodes done. Search in completed nodes done. Now let's create few nodes. Fine. Let's log in. Hold on. Search in completed nodes. Let's log in first. Login I have done. Now give me some tasks. Okay. Fix few bugs in the node in my social media application project. Could you please provide me detail? Describe a special issue or no? I got task. Let's add task here. I think I did not create it. Let's add this task. Hold on. Fix. I need make a note about fixing the bugs in the social media application project. Go out with friends on Sunday. Noted. One more note I make. HG, hello HG, welcome to my stream. Hi bro. I also need to build a SaaS product, but I want to know the complete flow, but not getting anywhere. मतलब मुझे ये जानना है था कि SaaS में क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड है, फुल फ्रॉम बिल्डिंग टू डिप्लॉयमेंट। सी बिल्डिंग के लिए आपको डेवलपमेंट अच्छे से आना चाहिए, कोई टेक स्टैक पकड़ो अच्छे से। मैं तो बोलता हूँ मॉन स्टैक सीखो या Next.js सीखो, दोनों में से कुछ एक सीखो, एंड उसके बाद 2-3 अच्छे गुड लेवल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। जैसे लाइक आप मेरे पुराने स्ट्रीम्स देखोगे तो मैंने एक सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन बनाया मर्न स्टैक यूज़ करके, तो उस लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, फिर उसको डिप्लॉय करो, एंड डिप्लॉय करने के बाद यू नीड सी दो साइड्स होता है, डेवलपमेंट साइड होता है, डिप्लॉयमेंट साइड होता है। डेवलपमेंट फोकस करो, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, ठीक है। उसके बाद वंस यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद डेवलपमेंट देन गेट इनटू डिप्लॉयमेंट। डेडलॉक्स, हेलो डेडलॉक्स, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। यो बडी, यो डेडलॉक्स। Ritik Sharma. Hello, Ritik Sharma. Welcome to my stream. Do you have a job? No, Ritik, I've left my job. I'm trying to build my own startup. One more thing. Hey, holy family week. This is done. Got this. Now let's make few changes. I have fixed the bugs in the social media application. Application. The social media application. Um, it's a project. Hold on. Let's. Would you like to create an application? Update it. Mark it as completed. Mark is completed. Okay, this is true. Uh, what notes are what are my pending notes? Here are your pending notes. Wish my friend. Okay. Go out with friends on Sunday. Play Holy with family. Okay. Fine. What are my completed notes? You have the following completed notes. Fix the bugs in social media application. Yeah. Okay. This is done. Mark. I have played. Mark the note related to Holy as completed. So, remark completed. Okay, let's see. This has been true. Okay, this is true. Okay, what is the friend on Sunday? I need to hang out with my friends on Monday instead of Sunday. So update it. Okay. I couldn't find the note. Hanging out with friends. Will you please? Okay. Go out with friends. Okay. Go out. Go out with friends. With friends on Monday or Sunday. My note has been updated. So this should be go out with friends. It should be Monday now. Yeah. Okay. This is done. Okay. Then remove all the completed notes. What is the issue? Okay, orientation to call must be followed by tool messages by tool call ID and not respond. Okay, invalid message code null. What happened here? What is the issue? Okay, okay. Okay, search notes. Remove the remove the notes that has been marked as completed. Okay. So true. Okay, let's see. Yeah, done. Remove all the notes that has been marked as that incomplete. Okay, so basically here डेडलॉक्स ब्रदर मैं भी बैकएंड डेवलपर हूँ और एथिकल हैकर्स ऐसे साइबर सिक्योरिटी हूँ बेस्ट ऑफ पर एलएलएम का काम मुश्किल होता है या ऋतिक शर्मा बेस्ट ऑफ लक ब्रो आई होप यू अचीव सक्सेस थैंक यू ऋतिक शर्मा राजेश साहनी व्हाट इज द एआई एजेंट राजेश साहनी एआई एजेंट इज बेसिकली see normally your llm is just a brain, right? This is your llm. It can only take an input, it can take an input, right? And then it can produce an output. That's what output, which is basically predictions, right? This is what normal llm does. But what if your llm can perform, decide which function to call? For example, create note, and this is a function. Then delete note, delete note, this is a function, and different functions, right? What if your llm could decide which function to call and then we execute that function? That's what AI agent does. It's AI agent is basically LLM with access to function calling. That's it. Ishit Mahajan, how many years of full-time professional experience do you have? Working experience I have of 1 year, and freelancing I have done for 6 to 8 months. Joker Phoenix in front end help the user to write prompts using AI. So the modified prompt should contain the keywords which will help AI agent perform the task without any error. Okay, Joker Phoenix, that's a very good suggestion. That's a great suggestion. Okay. Danish channel, show me SQL queries. SQL queries. Basically, I'm using Prisma, which is an ORM, not writing raw SQL queries. Rohit Kesing. Hello, Rohit. Welcome to my stream. I have experience with development with MERN, Fastify, Prisma, Mongo, and vector embedding, Quadrant, Cosine, and I have issue with deploying the project to server. Who have payment integration with Stripe? Any idea? Rohit, in India, I think Stripe payment integration is because you need approval from them, right? Akashdeep, which AI tool you are using as an agent? I'm using ChatGPT 4.1. Mohammed, hello Mohammed, welcome to my stream. Mohammed, do you work with? I have worked with Spring Boot. Mohammed, Oppie, hello Oppie, welcome to my stream. Bhai, you have 1 year of experience and 6 months of freelance. Yes, Prince Gupta, bro, you're using Langgraph as well. No, Prince, I'm not using Langgraph. Joy 22. Hello Joy, welcome to my stream. Can you do 30-minute code then 5 minutes Q&A? Other than it's kind of slow. Yeah, like I need a timer for that. Aniket Kumar, are you coding manually or vibe coding? Aniket, I'm basically coding it myself, but I'm taking help from AI to understand the logic and all. Fine. Okay. This is it. What is the issue? Do you know what doesn't? remove the note friends. This is done. So basically now what we are doing, creating the note, update the note, delete the note, search the note, find, create the following notes. Create the following notes. Number one, go to gym. Number two, wake up at 5 a.m. Number three, read 5 pages every day. Every day. Now let's see what happens. Let's see. Agent, agent, yes, agent, yes. Find agent.ts. Then tools.ts. Tools.ts. Then service. Node.service.ts. I sent this request. Send this request. Got this. You have hit the most important agent concept. Most students have explained. Model can call multiple tools in one response. Your agent currently handles one only the first tool call, but your request. Fine. Make GPT do this internally. Assistant tool calls. This is a button code. Why the error happens? Every tool calls must be followed by tool response for all tool call IDs. Your flow right now, AI 3 call to 1, OpenAI, where are the other? Okay, fine. Fine. Real fix uh, replace this with cons tool calls is equal to then execute all tool calls. Full correct structure while true. Tool calls message dot. Let's see what is the difference. Execute tool for cons tool. Okay, fine. Always okay. Bonding. Give me the full code. Just a reminder, guys, like if you enjoy the stream, do consider subscribing. Uh, Rajesh Sahani, ChatGPT is free for your query. Is there any limitation? No, for query, there is no limitation because I just I don't upload files and all. So right now it is working. Okay, brother, can I connect with you tomorrow? I need some serious help for this same field, agentic AI. OP, yes, you can DM me on Instagram. Shivam Kumar. Hello Shivam, welcome to my stream. I also want to learn AI agent. How can I start? Guide me please, if possible, any resource. See Shivam, before you learn agentic AI, first you should understand a bit of full stack development, because AI agents are a part, like you can build AI agents if you know full stack development. So I'll suggest you first learn a bit of full stack so that you can at least build REST APIs and all those things and basic front end. And I'm using, this is the first AI agentic AI project that I'm working on. So basically, this is the flow that I use. I know the flow, basic AI agent flow, like it is just an LLM with tool calls. So I'm using ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT to teach myself that how to do it, and I'm doing it. Okay, Aniket Kumar. Does P stands for Postgres? Yes, Aniket. P is for Postgres. Mohammed. Would love to watch you develop a project in Spring Boot. I'm a beginner, so would be great to help to work side by side. Mohammed, actually, my goal is to build my own startup or work in a startup. So that's why right now I'm not working with Spring Boot. I'm working with Mon Stack. So yeah. Dhruv Gaur. But yeah, I'm new to this and I'm in first year. How to start to learn AI agents making? Dhruv Gaur, you are in first year, so your first thing should be to learn Python. Learn Python, learn Django, then learn React, and then learn full stack development. That is the first milestone. Then after you complete this milestone, then start learning about AI agents, how to build AI agents. You can watch YouTube videos on that. There are lots of good resources on YouTube. You can watch those videos and then code along. Aniket, my stack is React, Node, MySQL. MySQL is basic though. That is a good tech stack. Aniket. Rajesh Sahani. You need to pass delete ID for deleting, I think. For all delete, you have to not handle. Yeah, good point, Rajesh. Good point. Basically, to delete all. Okay, okay, got it. OP, how long it would take to get into AI? It depends on how much time you can give OP. Basically, if you know a bit of full stack, then you can build AI agents very quickly. This is just the fourth day, and I have learned how to build AI agents. Aniket Kumar, which year are you in? Aniket, I've completed my BTech Joker Phoenix. Thanks. I got the idea. When you testing the agent in Postman, the response asks you to add those keywords like make, as completed, etc. Yeah, Joker Phoenix. Prince Gupta, I'm building a N10 clone right now, but can't work much because I have a GSOC deadline next month. Okay, that's great. See, if you get a GSOC, the badge, that will help you a lot. Joker Phoenix, hey Aniket, okay. हेलो विकास भैया, कैसे हैं आप? मैं बढ़िया. रोहित कुमार, ब्रो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एआई एजेंट आर यू बिल्डिंग and what does it all? Rohit, I'm building basically this project is for my own learning, and this is a AI agent that handles your notes. Joker Phoenix, okay. OP, do you have any job vacancy or internship in your company? Whom are you asking, OP? Joker Phoenix, सुन के अच्छा लगा. Welcome Joker. The game of code, bro. Where is your DC link? uh I don't have this. I have not created Discord link yet. Overseas Akira, GitHub repo provide karo bro. Overseas, the GitHub repository link in the description of the stream. Bro, use a background light behind the screen which you are streaming so hard on the screen. Which one? Okay. Mango Andi. Munib. Hello Munib, welcome to my stream. Silent. Bhai, CS complete, what to do now? Masters of job. I will suggest you, if you can afford masters, then go for masters, because masters will help you later to get into research also. Hi, are you know about deployment Docker Kube? I know about Docker. I worked basically I built a social media application. The link in the description of the stream. I deployed it using Docker only. I'm already full stack engineer, so I have a question. Why are you using Node instead of Python? Because I'm not here. We have tool calling option in OpenAI and other Gen AI LLM, API keys. So we can do it in any. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to use Python for AI agents. You can build it using TypeScript. Also, concept is same. Just the syntax will change. Prince Gupta, bro, does this channel content helps in getting jobs, refer clients? Like this channel is just for building, learning, and building projects, building things. So basically, this channel is for people who are interested in building projects, building products, building their own SaaS, their own startups. Silent. I can afford. Which should I select? MCO or MBA? Silent. I will suggest I go for MCA. No, MC or MBA. See, MCA. You're talking about MCA or MTech? I am confused now. Because MCA and MBA are completely different. MBA is management, and MCA, like after BCA, we do MCA, right? What was, yeah, okay. Tools. Get completed nodes. Get incompleted nodes. Parameters. Type object properties type object properties complete node complete mark node complete. Hold on, mark node completed. Mark node completed. Delete the node. This is done. Object type node ID. Node ID type string required. This is done. Tool executor. This remove a massive switch from the agent. Tool executor.ts. Search nodes. Agent.ts. We don't need the node.service.ts. Yes, right, but I can go for MBA also. See, MBA, if you are interested in management and all, then you can go for MBA. But if you want to be in tech, then maybe you should go for job if you want to do that. Use control plus word by word. Okay. You should use Codex. Okay. Oh, what is Codex? Can you please guide me, bro? Claude is getting crazy. but there's updates each day. Yeah, Claude is getting too good. Bro, when to move from JavaScript to TypeScript? When you have built one or two GS, when you have built one or two good projects using type JavaScript, then you can move to TypeScript. ओएस अच्छा ब्रो, इस प्रोजेक्ट का मेन आइडिया कैसे एक्सप्लेन करो, क्योंकि बना रहे हैं मेनली, क्यों बना ये बेसिकली फर्स्ट इज दैट आई वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू बिल्ड एआई एजेंट्स एंड दिस इज अ note making AI agent. Instead of making notes yourself, the agent will do it for you. The game of code, bro. Your keyboard name, Evo Fox. That is the name of the keyboard. Okay, we will be using tool executor. Executor. SRC backend, SRC AI. We're using tool executor.ts. Node service. Type tool executor, user ID, args, promise any, tool registry, record, string, and tool executor. Okay. Not copy this. Basically, in this node service, what are we doing? We create a type of tool executor, user ID, and string args, promises, tool registry. Mm-hmm. Don't copy it. No, don't copy it. We have created type. Wait, let's create a type first. Export type tool executor. Tool executor. We have user ID as string. We have args as any. And promise of type any. We got tool executor will be comma, will be comma, tool executor. Fine, we got this. Now here we'll do export const tool registry of type tool executor. Not here, will be record of string comma tool executor. Tool executor, remove this, remove this here, and this will be like this, right? Then here we have create node, async, async, async function, user ID of type string and content of type string. This is done. Then return, we are using node service dot create, node service dot create. We have user ID comma args dot args salah args dot content. Okay, not content. Okay, it will be args anytime using create node. create node, then we have search node, async search node by user ID, and same args here. Silent. I'm thinking to go for MCA because my BSc CS college don't have any placements. Okay, got it. Silent. Ravens Music. Hello Ravens Music. Welcome to my stream. Bro, what do you think about AI bubble? The day it will burst, stock market will collapse. But AI is a very powerful tool, so it will grow a lot. Vansh, hello bro. Hello Vansh, welcome to my stream. Debre Thapa. Hello Debre, welcome to my stream. Swift, Java, .NET, Kotlin, Rust. Which should I go to in terms of job market? Go for Java. Random guy. Hello random guy. Welcome to my stream. Search note. Search notes. We are building a tool registry. Return note service dot search user ID comma args dot content query args dot query search notes. Delete note. Okay, now understood this. System return return deletion dot count is equal to 0 if deletion dot count is equal to 0 deletion dot count return hold on delete note. Okay, it is inside this. If deletion dot count is equal to 0 return success to false message note not found else return this else success true note deleted note tool executed done then agent.ts agent.ts okay. Reverence music. Design engineer is a good path in this AI era. I don't think so because now, especially with AI, designs are getting really easy. वंश ब्रो तुम कौन सा कॉम्पैट में वर्क करते हो बिफोर यू लेफ्ट इट ऑल्सो आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू लाइक विच अप्रोच यू प्रेफर like firstly coding backend and then front end, or front end first and then backend, or coding a specific backend module and then connecting to front end. Once I usually go for building the backend first, then I go to front end. Joker Phoenix. Okay, bye, bro. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night, Joker Phoenix, and thanks for joining this stream. And once the company that I left, I cannot name that company because I left it few days back only, few months back only. So I'll name that company after few years, not now. MC Gaming. भाई बीकॉम हो गया है, फ्रंट एंड और पाइथन आता है, फुल स्टैक डेव करूँ कि पाइथन एल बिल्डिंग एंड जेन आई करूँ? आई विल सजेस्ट थोड़ा फुल स्टैक करो, उसके बाद जेन आई में घुसो. वंश, ओके, दैट इज़ फाइन. या मैन. So, okay, the game of code. How become good at logic building, bro? A logic building is developed by practice. The more you practice, the better you get. Like, um, try to build small projects with yourself first, without any help. Then you can try to do logic building. Because even if you build small projects, you have to think like how my data will go to my backend, how will I collect the data in my backend, how will I process it, how will I store it in my database. So when you solve these things, then like your logic building improves a lot. Okay, client OPA, max steps, prevent infinite loop. Okay, max steps. Okay, step protocol, find export async function, run agent. Yeah, run agent, user ID message. Okay, then this is done, this is done, this is done, this same. And for let steps, step plus plus, const completion. We have this calls, finish reasoning. All tools. Okay, fine. Agent exceeded max steps. Your controller remains unchanged. Now let's do this. This looks much better. This looks much better. So basically here, this is done. This is done. Before we get into max steps, I need to create const max steps equals, let's make it a 10-step protocol, not 8. 10 is much better. Okay, export async function, run agent, user ID message, user ID message, then role system. You are a good you are a node management AI. Use tools to manage nodes. Manage nodes. Remove this, and here we can do, if you do not know a node ID, search nodes first. This is done. Then role user const message. This is done. Now this thing I can comment it out for now. This entire thing, let's comment it now. Where is it? Yeah, let's comment this from here to here. And any error? No error here. Fine. Now if we come here, we'll use a for loop. For loop, let step equals 0, step less than equal to 10, less than max steps, and step plus plus, simple step calling. Then const completion equals await client dot chat dot completions dot create model GPT 4.1 messages. Then tools, we have note tools dot map, will map through this. We have tool, then here tools, type should be function, and function should be the tool, and it will be tools. This is done, this is done. This is done. Then const msg equals const completion dot choices dot message. Then we have messages dot push the message, messages dot push the message. Fine. Then const tool calls equals message dot tool calls. Fine. Vansh, what would you rate your programming skills on scale of 1 to 10? Maybe 5. Lokesh. Hello, back again. Sorry, my laptop crashed. Oh, that's fine, Lokesh, and welcome back to the stream, brother. Ashutosh Pradhan. Hello, Ashutosh. Welcome to my stream. I'm in my 6th sem in CSE AIML. I have a good idea on ML and AI, but DSA is somehow weak. I'm confused. Is there any good AIML companies, or I should focus on research? In India, Indus is a good AIML company. I think that is one known company. And if you want to get into research, see, basically AI agent, sorry, AIML is a very research heavy field, right? Even in companies will actually pay you for doing research. Basically, for if you take for OpenAI, right? OpenAI, Claude, they are trying to build AGI, right? So who are building the AGI? The researchers are building the AGI for them. So they are providing money to the researchers. So AIML is very research heavy field. Like if you want to go into core AIML, right? If you want to get into Gen AI, that is like it's using pre-built LLMs with tools. That's basically agentic AI and Gen AI, right? But if you want to contribute to building something that does not exist, then you need to get into research. Ethereum, hi. Ethereum, use AI ID or any AI CLI. ChatGPT is time consuming. Actually, Ethereum, welcome to my stream. I'm trying to learn how to build AI agents. So I'm using ChatGPT as a reference. How like it is guiding me how to build it, and I'm using my own logic building to understand okay what I need to do, what I don't need to do. So basically, this project is for my own learning, and I want to learn how to build AI agents from scratch. Ethereum, Claude code is good. Yeah, Claude code is nice. Vansh. Bro, ChatGPT is time consuming, but it also gives improved results that were missing in the older models. Okay. User Talha. Hello, user. Welcome to my stream. Bro, what you suggest me? What do I do in my, I'm in second year? First, understand a programming language. You go for JavaScript or Python. Choose one. Yashraj, can you explain what you are building? Yashraj, I'm trying to build an note-making AI agent. Basically, in a simple note-making application, you build your notes on your own, you delete it on your own, you update it on your own, right? But here, you will just explain what you need to do. Like, for example, I need to go to the gym tomorrow. Make a note of it. Then the AI agent will make a note for you. Then you can say that change the time from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then agent will change the time. So that's the gist of it. Lokesh, did I miss something? Lokesh, no. Basically, we built the basic version. Now we are trying to use the loop, so that agents can perform multiple tasks in one go. Yes, Raj, I'm new to your channel. Hello, Yes, Raj. Welcome to my stream, man. Basically, I'm trying to build an AI agent in this stream. बिरियान यार हर जगह यही सुन रहा हूँ एआई की वजह से कोडिंग जॉब्स नहीं मिलेगी अब सच में डर लग रहा है डरो मत स्किल्स इंप्रूव करो डेवलपर की जॉब तो लगेगी मतलब डेवलपर की जॉब तो तुमको मिल जाएगी अगर तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स है तो प्रिंस गुप्ता यू कैन यूज ओपन राउटर एस डी के फॉर एल एल एम कॉलिंग विथ दैट यू कैन call any LLM with just single SDK. Oh yeah, I know. I need to do a bit of research on that. Then I'll start using it. Raju, hi bro. Hello Raju, welcome to my stream. HRU alag. Hello HRU, welcome to my stream. Fine tuning AI would use Quen. Okay. Ashutosh, I'm working on medical AI projects and also done some projects. Any suggestions for me? Whatever project you have built, deploy it and let other people use it. If you get at least 5 users, that is a very big achievement for you. and then you can use that project in your resume also. Raju, by seeing current trend, I don't think web development has the future. See, skilled web developer will always have a future. अमन सिंह व्हाट इज पर्न स्टैक मर्न तो सुना है बेसिकली मर्न में क्या होता है हम लोग मोंगोडीबी यूज़ करते हैं सो पर्न इज बेसिकली without MongoDB, we are using PostgresQL. So basically, it is PostgresQL, Express, React, and Node. Bro, I have learned Python, and do you suggest me do I start building AI agents? Before you start building AI agents, learn a bit of full stack development because AI agents will reside inside your application, right? एनीमे हाय ब्रो अभिषेक शर्मा फ्लॉप हो रहा है क्या करे एनीमे हेलो हाय ब्रो अभिषेक शर्मा फ्लॉप हो रहा है क्या करे क्या फ्लॉप हो रहा है हर्ष मौर्य हाउ शुड आई एंटर ए आई एम एल फील्ड learn python learn numpy learn pandas that is the first thing after that learn about machine learning algorithms what is clustering what is what is regression what is clustering what is classification and what are different models in these three fields right then after that get into deep learning build all the models on your own and also learn pytorch that is the basic you can do okay so message.push then now tool calls also done okay message.tool calls done then if there is no tool calls or type of dot length 0 return message dot content then now we'll execute the calls for const tool call of tool calls for of loop this is a for of loop and if tool call dot function dot arguments what the hell am I doing if not this if tool call dot type is not equal to a function we'll skip it I'll just skip it and continue then after this const tool name equals tool call dot function dot name const arg equal to json dot parse tool call dot function dot arguments or blank args then const executor const executor tool registry and we'll pass the tool name tool registry and we'll pass the tool name what is tool registry it is an object okay so basically here we are calling the object inside tool registry we have this tool name key right here we have this where is it tool executor this object we are calling these tool names right these tool names and here basically I get the tool name from here and then we'll pass it fine okay executor and if there is no executor throw new error unknown tool tool name this is done then const result equals await executor. We have user ID, executor, user ID tools, execute user ID and args. User ID and args. Yes. And args, we are doing this. Fine. Then after this, messages dot push role tool call underscore id tool call dot id content json dot stringify result. User, bro, kind of automation with the help of LangChain and LangGraph. Okay, that's nice. Vansh, bro, are you using OpenAI lib to create AI agent? Yes, I am using OpenAI. Books Crush. Hello, Books Crush. Welcome to my stream. Hello, I'm new to learning programming. I'm thinking of documenting my journey on YouTube. Should I do that? Yes, you should do that. Whatever you're learning, make a video. Don't do it for views or anything. Just do it for yourself. Um, whatever you're learning, by the end of the day, make a video and post it. Raju, how much time it will take to learn AIML? It will take good amount of time, like at least 6 to 8 months. It will take. एनीमे अरे ब्रो अभिषेक शर्मा क्रिकेटर यार वो फॉर्म में नहीं है ना बट वो जिम्बाब्वे के साथ तो अच्छा ही खेला Harsh Maurya. Hello Harsh, welcome to my stream. What's the end result gonna look like? Basically, the end result will have a front end also where a user can log in, then user can just give command like I want to go to gym tomorrow at 6 a.m. The AI agent will make the note. And then if you do that instead of 9 a.m. make the I need to go to gym at 10 a.m. Then it will update the note and same like that. When you just start using TypeScript instead of JavaScript, you initially get annoyed a lot, but with time it becomes real helpful. And I'm starting to realize that now that I have been using TypeScript instead. Yeah, once after a while, TypeScript becomes like it's really useful, you know. Yes, Raj, sounds interesting. I would love to visit you often. Yeah, yes, Raj. Thanks, man. Books crush. I want to do it for my accountability. I get consistent and I get inconsistent often. Yeah, books crush, you can learn and by the end of the day it will help you to become consistent. When you document your journey and show it to people, you become consistent automatically because now you are becoming accountable. Stringify result done. Then here this, then this one. After this loop, if we skip this loop, then throw new error, agent exceeded max steps. Fine, I think now it should work. Let's dev. Now if I come here, we log in here. Now if I do this, fine, and here we have one node, go to gym. Go to gym, no, let's make it work on the development of social media application. Now send this. Following notes have been created. Now let's see what we get. Yeah, we get all the notes. Okay, this is working. Fine, we are getting this. Now I'll say I woke up at 5 a.m. mark it as completed. Mark as completed. Now let's see. Mark as complete. Executor completed. So user ID. Hold on, tools. Instead of do this, look up at 5M. Hold on, look up at 5M. True, false. It created a new node. Delete this. False. Now again send this. Created a node. Complete. No, I don't need you to create a node. Okay, fine. Okay, hold on. Tool executor, agent. .ts. Books Crush, thanks sir. Welcome Books Crush. Vansh. Bro, why does big product based companies often use Java as their core development language? Because in Java is a multi-thread language, and basically in product based companies they have lots of employees, and lots of employees work on one single product, right? So when you have a big team, then Java Spring Boot is very good. वंश बहुत खुशी होती है जब पोस्ट में आपके एंड पॉइंट्स वर्क करते हैं मुझे भी बहुत खुशी होती है इजी ब्रो इफ हैविंग कोडिंग स्किल्स कैन गिव यू ग्रेट जॉब देन व्हाई डू पीपल डू एमटेक or further education? Because they want to get into research also. Many people do mtech for doing phd also. For doing phd you need a master's degree. But I'm getting some error in my Prisma DB, like failed to connect upstream database, and because of this I cannot get even log into website which I wipe coded. Okay, basically you need to understand if you're using Prisma 6 or 7. Understand your Prisma version. Renit Lobo. Hello Renit. Hello Renit Loba. Renit Loba. Welcome to my stream. मैं सोच रही थी ऐसे कंटेंट ऑटोमेट करूँ लैंगचेन से. If you can build it, then that's a good idea. Tools is done. Then this is my tools executor. Tool executor.ts. This is my tool executor.ts. This is done. My node service. This is my node service.ts. I sent this request. I got this response. Instead of marking the note completed to true, it made a new note with is completed to true, but I wanted it to just update the existing notes notes is completed to true. Good, this is not a coding bug, this is an agent executing tool design problem, very common when building AI agents. Your system is working exactly as the model understands your tools. Let's mark it as complete. The mentioned a note content, AI does not know a note ID. Choose, okay, fine. To your tool require note ID for completion, note ID. Okay, but the user gave note root cause, note ID update. User thinks I have current agent design, the real fix. Industry you need a semantic tool. Note ID okay. Best solution. Modify complete node tool to support search automatically. Update tool definition. Complete node tools.ts. Important tool executor.ts. Give me the full code. Vansh, have you ever used Drizzle ORM instead of Prisma? Yes, I have used Drizzle, but I like Prisma more because Prisma is very straightforward and it is very easy to use. क्या बना रहे हो आप कौन सा एजेंट एंड व्हाट इट सॉल्विंग बेसिकली आई एम बिल्डिंग एन नोट मेकिंग एआई एजेंट फरहान हेलो फरहान वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम हाउ आर यू ब्रदर बहुत दिनों बाद एजेंट कंट्रोलर अपडेट नोट कंप्लीट नोट प्रोडक्शन एजेंट लूप ओके ओके एजेंट कंट्रोलर नोट आईडी ओके so in my node tools where is my tools node tools create note description create a note only when user is asked to create one object content type string content search the nodes IDs find node IDs using text search nodes to find node IDs okay we just need to change the description a bit object query type string this remove this description query type object string required query done complete to do update node delete where is search search nodes, fine. Then there we go. Then we have complete node, mark node, mark node. Complete node, mark and complete use query, and type node ID. Node ID query find required here complete node. Okay, then just a second, we complete node on this. Now complete node, then update node, update node here. Update an existing node, update an existing node. Check type string, content and query. Need to add query here. Query type string required node, and we have content. Update node. Delete an existing node. Okay, then check node ID query. Tool executor. Resolve node ID registry. Okay, my tool registry, and we have this async. So resolve node ID. Node, complete node. We have this const node ID equals await resolve node ID comma args, and if there is no node ID, I return this node not found. This is done. Same line of code here, and delete node also. Delete node, delete node. Delete node and update node. Search node is fine. Okay. Agent.ts. Okay. Bunch, but Drizzle provides a local DB UI while development, which I liked the most about it. Okay, that's nice. Bunch DB Studio I meant. Okay, yeah, it's in browser. It gives a nice UI in browser. फरहान बढ़िया सब क्लाउड कोड पर शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं धीरे धीरे सीनियर्स या फरहान क्लाउड कोड काफ़ी तगड़ा काम कर रहा है Bro, I'm getting into somewhere in my Prisma DB 5.2, just like to connect upstream database. Actually, right now, Prisma 7 has released, so it has been making some changes to that. Maybe that is the issue. Farhan, Notion is already doing this. I have used it at as a channel to add to dos. Yeah, basically this project is for my own learning for building AI agents. संस्कार, हेलो संस्कार, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। ब्रो सो जाओ, कल रन्स भी बनाने हैं। Watch. Okay, bro, I'm done for today. I'll go to sleep now. You have a good night as well. Good night, Vansh, and thanks for joining the stream, man. I hope you enjoyed it. फरहान, भाई ये तो स्ट्रेट अप कॉपी पेस्टिंग है। वंश, यहाँ पे मैं पहले कोड को अंडरस्टैंड करके यहाँ पे डाल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इसके पहले क्या है ना कि अगर आप पहले के कुछ देर पहले के स्ट्रीम देखोगे तो काफ़ी हम लोग रूट लेवल से इसको बढ़ा कर करके इतना बड़ा हुआ है कोड। तो वो फ्लो दिमाग में चल रहा है कि हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे। वही है। ओपी एजेंटिक एआई में जो सीख रहा हूँ तो कोर्स उसमें पाइथन एंड लैंगचेन एंड रैग है। दैट इज़ नाइस। अच्छा है, लैंगचेन काफ़ी काम आता है। So life is so weird. Just a day before I was here watching you get inspired, and today I can't process anything going through a heartbreak. What happened, man? Heartbreaks are a part of life. Agent. So agent, what are we doing? We are all okay. We are making a new prompt. Okay, we are giving it a new prompt. Let's use this prompt. This is my agent. So let's send the nodes, and then this. This is correct. If no, okay, fine. Okay, now let's see what happens. We log in. Now, how many to dos we have? I woke up at 5 a.m. Delete this to do. Now, if I sent this, is this is my code. Agents, tools, tools.ts, tool executor.ts, tool executor.ts, executor.ts, then agent.ts, node service.ts. I sent this request. I got this response. Any changes here? Response. But in my DB, I have this to do this node, and the content is completed is false. agent long semantic search mismatch. Wake up at 5 a.m. User yes, query areas and cause string matching not semantic matching. Netflix make a search queries update the prompt and system message. Certainly only the code no text remove pronoun sentences. Now the model will call instead of robots or normalize based on backend critical totals normalize okay not service normalized query okay fine normalized text normalized okay but you are not ready correctly you must have not ID update to executor ID not ID ID complete executor not ID that's completed and not ID and here also update note as note ID okay fine let's see normalize text okay now basically here my agent never use okay this code it's now it's about prompting correctly pass this search wake up at 5 a.m. okay this is done normalize text utils I have a utils here backend src this is my कौन से LLM यूज़ होगा इसमें आई एम यूजिंग GPT 4.1 ML सीखना चाहिए क्या भैया फ्यूचर के लिए हाँ ML सीखना चाहिए फ्यूचर के लिए जोजो ट्राइंग टू गैदर माई थॉट्स एंड नॉट लूज माई माइंड ओके जोजो okay so instead of normalizing manually I have done this right chat.ps okay okay fine let's not do like this because here I'm just doing it in my input we don't need to do that here. Remove this is this is and about utils yes I'm utils and create normalize.ts here create normalize.ts and here what are we doing I normalize string return text dot lowercase replace okay fine just copy this function here it's a simple function return text dot lowercase and replace this is with blank oh good make this is required let's not use it now node service normalize text nodes dot filter to executor this is done it's all update okay Now let's try this. Here backend is running, npm run dev. Now login user. Here what I have, wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, now if I come here, chat marked as complete. Let's see, marked wake up as completed. Now let's see, Jai Mata Di. It should wake up and it should become true. Yeah, now it is working. Fine. Okay, so basically what have we done? Now let's do few more things. Make the following notes. Number one, buy a new car. Buy a new car. Number two, build your SaaS. Let's see what happens. The following notes have been created. Now if I come here, buy a new car. Okay. Now here, in the note related to car, update it and say and make it buy a new Lamborghini Aventador. Okay. Now let's make this. Let's see if update is working or not. So basically, it's now buy a new car. It should change. Send this. Update to buy a new car Aventador. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, this is working. Now let's make it. I have bought the Lamborghini Aventador, Aventador. Mark it as completed. See, no note. So nothing could be marked. Okay, spelling mistake. Lamborghini. Let's see, Lamborghini Aventador. Have not. It's completed. This is my code. फरहान वो पेड है ना? हाँ फरहान वो पेड है. सिलियन आपको क्या क्या टैग स्टैक आता है? मॉन स्टैक आता है, स्प्रिंग बूट आता है, जेंगो आता है. विल गेट यू ब्रो. What do you use for face cam? I use my laptop's camera only. This is my code. Agent.ts. My executor.ts. Executor.ts. tools.ts. Find tools done, then close this. C controller part is done. Node service. Node service.ts. I sent this request. I got this response, but in my DB table I have the note with content and is completed as false. Okay. Get set fact. Hello, get set fact. Welcome to my stream. Hey, bro. What language do first C or Java as beginner? Go with Java. Get set start. Start with Java. Shri Manaranjan. Hello, Shri. Welcome to my stream. Use anti-gravity or Klein for better result, which knows you code context. Okay. Basically, I'm not using any AI IDs now because with this project, my goal is to learn how to build AI agents from scratch. Lokesh B. Okay, got to go, bro. Bro, good night. See you tomorrow. Good night, Lokesh, and thanks for joining the stream, brother. And just a reminder, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. But this is like a static normalization. What if I sent some other text? Excellent question. This is exactly a point where okay, static noise written does not scale. You're right, hard coding work like okay. The code okay, fine. One search query. Model converts tool query system from okay. Model without hard coding rules. Okay. What? No. Vector search. Yeah, actually, the real solution is vector search. No, similarity. Mm-hmm. Best. Let's try to use this. If it says so much. Now let's replace this with this. Sahil. Sahil. Hello, Sahil. Welcome to my stream. What are you building? Which AI agent? I'm building an note making AI agent. Curious gamer. Hello, curious gamer. Welcome to my stream. Bro, very confused about what to go with for a good career. The tech is evolving so fast. Can't focus on anything. See, you need to stick to the foundation because foundation never changes. Shri, hello Shri. Hi, I'm a full stack. I'm a Dart full stack developer with Kotlin Java experience in backend. What should I do next? Build projects, deploy those projects, and use the deployed link in your resume, and keep applying. Uh, Pratik Marve. Hello Pratik, welcome to my stream. Bro, can you please tell me, uh, can I go with Python backend web dev? Yes, you can go with Python backend web dev with AI ML. Yes, that is a very good tech stack. See, with Python backend, you can go with Fast API or you can go with Django, and then you can use AIML integration. Okay, I did this. Where should I use this method? Node service. Hmm. Search node. Okay. Find by. Man. This is my node dot service dot ds. Okay. Update node. Where is my update node? Agent.ms is update node. This is my give give me the full code. क्या जीपीटी है भाई ये? अरे प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर नहीं भाई, मेरे को सीधा कोड देना बे. No, for today I'll keep it this much. I think my head is not working now. I'll keep it this much for today. I'll fix this in tomorrow. This. Bro, can you please tell me, can I go with Python? Yes, you can go with Python backend. Okay, just a sec. I'll commit this. I'll push it. Code has been pushed. Code has been pushed. So, where was I? Can you please say Python backend with yes? Okay, so if I like learned scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and all these are foundations. Yes, these are foundations. It is not necessary to go with Java. See, Java, even in Java for with Spring Boot, you what I have realized is that in MNCs, even with Spring Boot, they take at least 2 or 3 years of experienced guys, right? Curious gamer. But some relatives working in tech at a good position told me to move ahead of this and read and learn LLMs, MCP, Gen AI. See, LLMs, you can go in depth because learn how to build LLMs on your own, and you can go with Gen AI then. Sounds reasonable, but the real issue I'm in third year of engineering and haven't done anything. No projects, no not got good single stack. See, first is that for basics, learn full stack development. Once you learn full stack development, then you can move ahead into Gen AI. Right. So I will suggest you pick one tech stack and then build projects. Bro, I'm Java developer, but don't know why I'm not getting interview calls. Could you guide me? See, you have to build good projects. You need to deploy them, deploy those projects, full stack projects, and then you need to put that deployed thing in your resume. And then when you apply, try to email the interviewer also. Send your resume in the email. भाई जेमिनी यूज़ करे करो ओके बेटर है अब जीपीटी से भी कोड के लिए क्लॉड ओके infinite loop guy hello infinite loop guy welcome to my stream is claude opus 4.6 free in lm arena could you check once what is lm arena okay all right everyone I'll wrap up now and if you enjoyed the stream do consider subscribing to the stream and I'll see you in the next stream so take care of yourself and keep learning and keep growing bye